You will need a screen recorder and any drawing application. I am using Capture and Clip Studio. Start screen recording and open the drawing application. Change the background color to green and using pen or finger write the text you want to see on your video. After the text is done, stop screen recording and import your text video to LumaFusion.
Place the text video over your original video. Double-click your text video to go to the settings. Go to Frame and Fit tab, where you crop your text video so the features of the drawing application not seen on the screen. After you see only text on the green screen, go to Color and Effects tab, go under the Key tab and choose Green Screen Key. Now you have your handwriting text over the video. You could adjust the speed, position, orientation. Thanks for watching.